Ever wondered how all those different cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin magically exist and thrive within the Ethereum universe? Let's unlock the secrets of ERC20 tokens and how Ethereum empowers anyone to create their own digital currency in just 90 seconds. ERC20 is essentially a technical blueprint, a set of rules, or a standard that smart contracts must follow on the Ethereum blockchain to be recognized as a token. Think of it as a universal language that allows different tokens to interact smoothly with wallets, exchanges, and other applications. At its core, an ERC20 token smart contract needs to implement specific functions. Total supply, for instance, dictates the total number of tokens that will ever exist. Balance of allows you to check how many tokens a specific address holds. Transfer lets users send tokens directly, while transfer from lets approve third parties spend tokens on your behalf. The approve function grants another address the right to spend a specific amount of your tokens. Allowance then checks how many tokens someone is allowed to spend on your behalf. Creating an ERC20 token involves writing a smart contract that includes these functions, compiling the code, and then deploying it to the Ethereum blockchain. This deployment action permanently registers your token, giving it a unique address and making it available for trading and use within the Ethereum ecosystem. ERC20 tokens are the backbone of decentralized finance, enabling a world of possibilities from stable coins like USDT to governance tokens like COMP and utility tokens powering countless decentralized applications. Knowing how they work unlocks a deeper understanding of the entire Ethereum ecosystem.